on fundraising, so we reached out to sponsors, and it was a hit. I can't believe they were willing to support Michigan Tuluas, though we are just growing, but it was a huge hit. I'll let Sushant take over.
So ಈ ಸರ್ತಿ the event sponsor ಮಂತಿನಲ್ಲಿ Land Trades Builders and Developers from Mangalore. Smithaka, thank you for contacting them and getting the money, the sponsorship from Land Trades. Sanvi Technology, Yashasvi Shankar. So when I reached out to him, he was really happy to support our Tulu community. Even though he's not a Tulua, he was really encouraging to sponsor this event to us. Ratnakaram Sherigar from Ata. Right? So in the event manpo and Ata the group would part in immediate the sponsorship Nikhil Korpa. He doesn't have to get anything out of this, right? No returns. He's a doctor, right, in Boston. So he has nothing. He has to do nothing with our sponsorship here, right? So even Arla Yedur Batu the sponsorship Yusari Kortere. Thank you, Ratnakaranna. Anchane Abhinaya School of Dance, Srimati Danya Vani Rao. Arla nanka sponsorship Kortere. Thank you, Danya. Anchane ನಮ್ಮ realtor Hari Kakumannu. So Arla ನಮ್ಮ event manpo an panne. Without any question, he came forward and then he was willing to sponsor our event. Last but not the least, Satish Akpala. Nikil Maatella, Nicholas Nete, a name tag padondare, right? I Nikil observe mantitana Tulu to Bareta. So first time for most of you would have seen how your name would look in Tulu, right? So in Barere mast Bangaditana because none of us know Tulu, right? So Inkle Satish and contact Mantida, he had to go through all 170 names, making sure none of it is wrong, right? Because most of us have got our names first time written in Tulu. So thank you, Satishana, thank you so much. Yeah, that's the sponsorship list. So it's one is actually ready, so we can break for